Hello, welcome back. We are having such a time of it in Northern Ireland here. The rain has been horrendous. The horses are having a duvet day and the little donkeys are in as well over there. Because our field is just so wet, but I thought if we keep them in this morning, it's lunchtime, they still have loads of hay left over, we could maybe clip them today. Callie doesn't really need clipped because her coat isn't that thick, but I'm thinking we could maybe trim up her feathers and stuff. And Oreo, on the other hand, he is a big hairy beast, even though it is quite cool, he is still struggling with the heat. See how thick it is? And like, we didn't clip him that long ago, so he needs to probably clip like once a month, to be kind to my clippers. But yeah, let's get mucked out, fill some hay nets, and Mum's gonna come up and hopefully she can help quicken up the clipping process, because we can clip him with like 2 clippers going at one time, so it speeds it all up and it makes it really good because he's such a good boy, aren't you? But yeah, so let's get some work done. How else do us horsey people spend rainy days than giving our horses a little makeover? So yeah, I could do it for myself. I feel like I could give myself a makeover tonight, but sure, we'll see how we get on. The horses come first, don't they? Right, let's get to it. So I made a reel on my Instagram of me filling my hay nets and it went crazy. People loved it. I just have filled my hay nets like this for years and years, and it really helps my back and I find it so easy. So maybe you guys on YouTube might like it. So I literally use my wheelbarrow and I use the handles to hold my net open. And then I fill my wheelbarrow with hay. And I give it a good shake out. And then I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna turn my back to you. I hold it open and fill it up. And then when I'm finished, I just pop it off the handles and voila! There's the net. I'll do you another one just to show you how easy it is. If you had like an extra big wheelbarrow, it would be amazing. So you load it up with loads of hay. But I only have this little pink one and another small green one. I got this pink wheelbarrow as a Christmas present. I think it'd be like definitely over 10 years ago, maybe, I don't know, could be like 13 years ago, could be even longer than that. It's been the best Christmas present in the world. I love practical gifts. So there's my next one. Give it a good old stuffing in there. How easy is that? So I literally spent yesterday cleaning everything, like cleaning my buckets and all, because it was a rainy day yesterday too. And this is how Callie repays me. Like, honestly. I know I'm the poo lady and everything, but like, come on. Okay. I was gonna have to pop this wheelbarrow and get that. Another wash. The joys. Wow, look at these camera angles. I've got a tripod with me today. It lives in my grooming kit now because I only use it when I'm up here. But yeah, look at those angles. Welcome to my stable. It's covered in manure. So, do you or do you not put banks in your stable? Because I don't. I'm not convinced they'll stop your horse from getting cast unless they're massive, massive banks. I don't even know if they will. So I personally just don't bank my stable. I always used to, but now I just don't. Because I think I'd rather give her more room to lie down and manoeuvre than bank up her stable and like give her less room. I don't know, has it been scientifically proven that banks stop your horse getting cast? I see people when they get their stables built get like a railing around the wall because that apparently helps. But everyone for their own.
Sweet honey, let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and move along.
I think one of you people asked me where I got this coat from, and it was actually a hand-me-down. Someone was going to throw it away, and it was at Robert's Dog Club, and they were like, does Jess want a coat? So I got myself a new coat. I have no idea what make it is. No idea. I know it's got checkers on the inside. I do have a similar coat to this. It's a purple one. You'll see me wearing it, and it's actually a Rydale coat, and their stuff is really reasonable, and it's good stuff. So that would maybe be an alternative if you want something similar to this. They do like even longer ones as well, and like heavier ones. This is a real like lightweight one. That's nice because then you don't get too warm in it, because I always find rainy days are milder days. Does make sense. Take two. Our stable is very wet because they were in yesterday, so there's lots to come out. So I think I'll put some shavings in. And I know her bed isn't like that thick, don't worry. This stable's completely rubber matted, so her legs and stuff are protected.
I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, here you go. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said babe, I said babe, oh honey,
Now,
come
time to get the shaving.
on.
My favourite bit. Nothing more satisfying than putting in clean shavings.
Yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it. On the roadway, you gotta move along. Wow!
And if you really want to help yourself out this winter, buy yourself a plastic pitchfork. I've had this one for years. I've used it and it hasn't broken or anything. And it is so light that you can just swing it around like a mad lady like this here. Really good for your back. Voila! Fit for Queen Callie. Just one more poop. I actually have a skill of throwing one bit of poop into a wheelbarrow from a mile away. You name it, I can like curve it around the wall, curve it around the door if the wheelbarrow's over that way. I could like probably give it one of those if it was a sport or like a Guinness World Record challenge. I'd be up for it. It's funny the things you notice on camera. Look at the dirt on top of that drinker. So I didn't notice until I seen it in the reflection like behind me because I've got my selfie camera on, which I should probably have around the other way because it would be better quality. Anyway, here we go. It's lovely and clean. I would love in the summertime, or come the spring, once it's dry and the horses go out again, to like give this all a power hose and like a nice paint. I think it would look really nice. Yeah, sure, that's for next year. Not far away now. So Mum has arrived. Say hi, Mum. Hi. So I'm gonna give Callie a brush and then think about clipping her little hairy heels, and then we're gonna give Oreo clip. So that's the plan. Callie's a little bit ants in her pants because she hasn't been out to the field today. Poor Callie. But we'll maybe give her a little lick it and then she'll stand still for me being able to take some videos. Eh? Okay. So I don't know if I've ever spoke to you about this before on my channel, but Callie has an extreme clipper phobia, and a few years ago this would have been impossible, even clipping her with these little small clippers. But now we have worked on it and I have got her calm and relaxed that I can clip her feathers and clip her body with these small ones. But hopefully we can work towards moving on to using the larger clippers in the future. So I acquired an in-between pair of clippers, these here ones. They're not that noisy, and I'm hoping maybe one day Callie will let me clip her with them because she's really nervous. So today I'm just gonna let them play and feed her lots of treats, and that'll be enough for day one. So I'm just gonna untie her and leave it just through the baler twine just in case she panics. But just to let her listen to them. This is what I'm working with. She gets so scared that even the treat is now not really an option. That's how bad Callie is. So she's really hard to work with. I'd like to maybe try some positive reinforcement with her, but it could be a struggle if the positive reward, she doesn't want it, if you know what I mean. But I am gonna ask for some help. I have someone in mind that I would like to speak to about this, so I'm doing it the right way. Like it's too much for her right now to take the treat when the clippers are on. I think I can turn them down a little bit. Good girl. There you go. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. Good girl. But yeah, I think that's enough for day one. Good girl. So we're on to horse 2 now, so Mum's just started to clip Oreo, so I better get my clippers turned on and go and help her. This is like snowing. It's like snow. Oh my goodness, it's all up in the air. Oh god, this barn is gonna be a mess. Look at his heart! Oh, look at his heart! Show everybody your heart. You can even see the dirt in it just from here.
That wouldn't be O if there wasn't dirt on it.
No. Good boy. Look at all this here. And even the hair along the top of the wall. Callie, did you even get covered in Oreo's hair too? It's all over a rug. It's everywhere. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I'll talk to you all again very, very soon. Bye!